Hello, I'm Soa Kwon, and I will take you to romantic Yeosu today. Yeosu's night sea adds to the romantic and magnificent atmosphere with its coastline along the sea and the beautiful night view of the city. Would you like to take a walk with me along Yeosu's night sea? When you look straight, you can see the Expo Boulevard. The Expo Boulevard connects the Dolsan intersection in Dolsan-읍 Yeosu City in Jeollanam-do Province to the Haeryong intersection in Haeryongmyeon in Suncheon City, also in Jeollanam-do Province. The boulevard is 33.7 kilometers long. The tunnel on the right is the Expo Tunnel. On the right side from there is Odongdo Island, the Hallyeol Maritime National Park, and at the back is the Yeosu World Expo Hall and the Sonokam Hotel. The beautiful lights you can see right now is a breakwater that connects the Odongdo Island, that's famous for Dongbek Island, and the land. You can walk along this road or use the Camellia train to enter Odongdo Island. We arrived at Odongdo Island, one of the top camellia flower natural habitats in Korea. The lighthouse you see in front of you was built in 1952. An observatory within the lighthouse was built, which is open to the public. This should be one of your best photo spots on your trip to Yeosu. Passing the cable car that goes from Jasan Park to Dolsan Park, we are heading to Pocha Street, where you can indulge in the romantic atmosphere of Yeosu. The Expo Bridge is beautiful every time you look at it. Ta-da! If you drink this, you're going out with me. This is where Jung Woo-sung and Son Ye-jin come to mind. Yeosu's romantic Pocha Street with the red tents. Not to mention the taste of the stone octopus samap eaten here, right? You're asking what the red lighthouse is that people are heading over to? It's Hamel Lighthouse at the Jongwadong Breakwater. There is also a Hamel exhibition hall at the entrance of the Jongwadong Breakwater. The admission fee is free, so make sure to make a visit. As I was looking at the beautiful beach of Yeosu, which shines like a starlight, we arrived at the Yeosu Maritime Park. The trip to Yeosu's night sea is approaching its end. How about a trip to Yeosu Sea at night with the people you want to be with at this moment? What do you think? This has been Soa Kwon, who took you to romantic Yeosu.